Have you ever been in a situation where you like someone, you value them, but they don't seem to reciprocate the same way? Or maybe things were going well for a while, but suddenly she starts ignoring you? This can be a painful experience. But if you understand the philosophy of Stoicism, not only will you become emotionally stronger, but people will naturally start missing you. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to control our emotions, understand our self-worth, and make others realize our importance. In today's video, I will share 4 powerful Stoic principles that, if you apply in your life, will make the person ignoring you start missing you badly. Let's get started. Number 1, detachment. Be independent, not needy. The first and most important Stoic principle is detachment. Not being so emotionally dependent on someone that your happiness depends on them. You become overly attached to someone, they start taking you for granted. This is human nature. People don't value what is always available to them. Stoics say that if you want someone to miss you, you must first become emotionally independent. Live your life in such a way that you don't need anyone. When you are not needy or clingy, the other person naturally starts to recognize your importance. Have you ever noticed that people only miss you when you're not around? That's because we appreciate things most when they're no longer easily available. So always maintain your self-respect and never act desperate for anyone. Number 2, control your emotions. Stay mysterious and unpredictable. Another golden rule of Stoicism is controlling your emotions. If you react to every small thing or constantly express your feelings, the other person can predict your behavior. And when something becomes predictable, it loses its excitement. Think about it. If you are always available, always responding instantly, and always sharing your feelings, does she even have a chance to miss you? Probably not. But if you remain composed and a little unpredictable, she will be curious about you. She will wonder what you're thinking and feeling, and this curiosity will naturally attract her towards you. If you want someone to miss you, always maintain an air of mystery. Don't always be available. Sometimes delay your replies. Sometimes give the impression that you are busy. These small things make the other person value you more. Number 4, acceptance. Let go and trust the process. One of the most powerful lessons of Stoicism is acceptance. Understanding that some things in life are beyond your control and learning to let go without resistance. Many people waste their energy chasing someone who is pulling away. They text repeatedly, wait desperately for a reply, and overanalyze every little action. But Stoics teach that you should never waste your peace of mind on something or someone you cannot control. Ask yourself, can you control someone's feelings? Can you make someone value you if they don't want to? Truth is, the more you try to hold on tightly, the more they slip away. The more you chase, the less attractive you become. The best thing you can do is walk away with grace. If someone wants to leave, let them. Don't beg. Don't demand explanations. Don't lower your self-worth by proving why they should stay. Instead, trust the process. When you respect yourself enough to walk away, people naturally start to reevaluate your importance in their lives. Real-life perspective. Imagine 2 scenarios. 1, a person who begs, texts nonstop, and keeps trying to fix things. The other person sees this behavior as needy, desperate, and unattractive. They feel no urgency to miss them because they are always there. 2, a person who accepts the situation, walks away, and focuses on self-improvement. Suddenly, the one who left starts wondering, why aren't they chasing me? Have I lost someone valuable? That curiosity grows into admiration, and eventually they miss you. This is why walking away with dignity is the most powerful move. It's not about playing games. It's about demonstrating self-respect. And self-respect is magnetic. It makes people think about you even when you're not around. When you stop trying to control what is uncontrollable, you gain a rare power, the ability to move on effortlessly. And ironically, this very attitude makes people come back to you, because nothing is more attractive than someone who doesn't need validation to feel whole. If you want someone to miss you, just creating physical distance isn't enough. You need to adopt these 4 Stoic principles in your life. 1. Detachment. Be emotionally independent. 2. Control your emotions. Stay composed and unpredictable. 3. Self-improvement. Become so valuable that people can't afford to lose you. 4. Acceptance. Let go of what you can't control. When you start following these principles, you will naturally become someone people don't want to lose. This isn't just a trick. It's a powerful mindset that can transform your life. How do you plan to apply these principles? Let me know in the comments.